Hi everyone, I'll be showing you how to knit the increase Make One Right Purlwise, abbreviated as M1RP in patterns. I'll be demonstrating this increase in both Continental or picking and English or throwing. Let's take a look at our work. On the right needle, these are the stitches that we just worked, and on the left, these are the stitches we're about to work. And right in the middle, this bar right here is where we're going to pick up and purl to create that increase. Let's start with Continental. So we're going to take our left needle and scoop that middle bar from the back. And we're going to purl it through the front loop like normal. Let's try that again. We're going to take our left needle and scoop up this middle bar right here through the back. And we're going to purl like normal. And that's it. Now English. We're going to take our left needle and we're going to scoop up this middle bar from the back, and then we're going to purl it like normal. We're going to take our left needle, scoop up this middle bar from the back, and we're going to purl it through the front loop like normal. And that's it. From the front, you can see the stitches leaning towards the right.